What's up, guys? This is Dana from Russ's Ocean State Harley-Davidson, which is right over there. Alright, see it right here? I'm just put my finger down right there. See the bar and shield? So this is our old dealership. And I see people come over here and yank on the door all the time because they think that we're still there, but we're not. We're across the street and we're in this building with a big huge bar and shield on the side of it. Alright, big new brick building. So, back to the bike. So this is a Harley-Davidson 2020 Street Glide Special in Billiard Burgundy. It's a cool color. No metal flake in it. The burgundy paints are they're kind of like the Vivid paints, like the Vivid black. There's no flake. It's just a solid flat color. But they're not like the flat colors. Like they're not like denim paint, where it's like a smooth, almost like a non-glossy finish. These are glossy finish, but there's no metal flake in them. Street Glide Specials have the Milwaukee 8114, blacked out pipes, blacked out motor, blacked out front end. They have a painted inner fairing, painted console on the front here, which a lot of people tell me this is kind of the nicest feature because this thing isn't blasting you in the face with sunlight while you're riding. They have the stretch bags. These are the Rushmore bags with the one-touch open. Alright, Rushmore features also include the Onetouch Gas Cap, place to put your phone in the fairing. This bike's got the Boombox GTS infotainment system, so has Apple CarPlay. Harley's got a very new cool app called Connect It's Out, where you can actually track your miles. You actually get a text from your bike if the bike is armed, the security system's armed and someone tampers with it. It'll send you a text and let you know. These are the new spokes for this year on the cast wheels. They're really cool looking wheels. Dual disc brakes as always on the dressers. So let's go ahead and start this bike so you can hear it go. That's it, guys. One of the coolest bikes we have in stock right now. So come on down and get it. Ocean State Harley-Davidson. We have 2 locations, Warwick and Exeter, Rhode Island. You can see our full current inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. I appreciate you watching, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon.